Hey, Joaquin, give me the assist. Yeah! To the hole, baby. To the... Can I have the ball? Not that way. Right there. You dropped it. Put it again. Yeah, you gotta let go of the rim. That's a violation. Let go of the rim. No, don't do it that way, stubborn. Don't be stubborn. Uh-oh, you lost it. Go get it. Oh, no. Hurry. To the basket. Go. Oh, almost. From distance. That was an air ball. You can do it. Come on. Yeah.